Hi everyone, Lindsay here from the Chandler Public Library. Today we're going to be making a catapult, similar to the ones that the Ewoks used when they were using all their primitive weapons in their battle at the end of the Return of the Jedi. But we're going to make our catapult using everyday craft supplies. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need for our catapult are 6 craft sticks or popsicle sticks. We need a spoon, a plastic spoon, and then I have 3 rubber bands and some pom-poms or other things that are soft and you could fling across the room, maybe mini marshmallows or something like that. So I'm gonna take 5 of my 6 popsicle sticks and I'm gonna take one of my rubber bands and I'm gonna wrap it around the end a bunch of times so it's really pretty tight. All right, so I've got a big stack of rubber bands just like this. And then I'm gonna take my last craft stick and I'm gonna put it in between the bottom and the top 4. So it kind of slides in like this. So I have a kind of a T shape here. And then I'm gonna take another rubber band and wrap it multiple times around the other end so that it's real tight and secure. All right, there we go. So now I have kind of a cross. Alrighty. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna put it on top of my of the single stick and I'm gonna hold it down on one end and then I'm gonna take my last rubber band and I'm gonna put it around the spoon and that last end so it'll stay on. It makes my little catapults. All right, so last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the stack so it's kind of down at the bottom and it makes this V shape between the single stick and my spoon a little bigger. Okay, that's really all there is to it. So now let's test it out. All right, let's see how our catapult works now. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my little friends here lined up. Can you see? Here's my little finger puppet of my Ewok. I'm gonna set him down next to my catapult here and I'm gonna hold on to the single stick that's on the table and take a pom-pom and I'm gonna put it in the spoon and hold it back and then let it fly. Woo! It went across the room. I know you can't see it, but it went across the room. So, this is a really fun activity to do at home. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time.